Hi guys, welcome to Creations by Karen, day 16 of the 20-day Christmas craft challenge. Let's get to it. So a couple of years ago I went to this little boutique in Elmer, which is about a half an hour from London, and I picked up 5 of these. And they were $4.98, which I think is, and they're just like grapevine, kind of in this shape. And I found them because I was going through my stash looking for stuff to make for you guys. So I decided, let's see what we can make with these. Little guy. And so I went into my stash again and I found these little picks that I got from my local Dollar Tree, and I thought they were really cute. I think I got them last year, and they had come with a clip, but I'm going to cut it off. So I just take, oh, you don't even have to cut it. It just came right off. And then I'm going to clip this tag off because we don't need that. And it wants to stay on, I guess. Okay, so we're going to use that little Cardinal. I'm going to fit him somehow in this nest like this. I think that's what I'm going to do. And I also have a little extra greenery just in case I needed it. But I think I need to put something inside here. So I went into my stash again and I got this moss. And this stuff, I don't think I got it from the Dollar Tree. I think I got it from Michael's. But regardless of where you get it, it sheds everywhere. So don't use a lot of it. And I'm just going to put some hot glue on the bottom of this just to keep it down there when I go to put it in. And I'm just going to put a whole lot of it, just a little bit, down in the bottom. See? Just in the bottom. And look at all the shed. Crazy. All right. So that looks good. Let's get rid of this. Always make sure you have a garbage handy. And then I'm going to put this inside here. So what I think I'm going to do is just put a lot of hot glue on this part here. So then I can stick it down and I know it'll stay, hopefully. Some hot glue. Ouch. And I'm just going to stick this Cardinal in here. And I want the Cardinal to be the star of the show. So I want him to sit up pretty. But I want to have some dimension in this. Just like that. And hold this down for a second. And I think I do want to put a little bit of more greenery in here. And this is just some scrap I had laying around. Okay, he's cute. I like him. Cute, eh? So then I'm just going to cut a couple of pieces off here using my aviation snips. And I think I got this at the end of the season at Michael's. It wasn't expensive. And I think maybe like 3 or 4 pieces will be fine. Of various lengths. Like I found 5 of these, which is great. I'll get Anthony to make one with me. What do you think? All right. So then I just want to put a little bit of more greenery in here, just to make it look better. So I'm just going to fix some hot glue. Either some hot glue. I use Gorilla Glue whenever I'm doing crafts. Just ensures that it's going to stay where I put it. So just look at your little thing and decide where you want to put your greenery. And I want the Cardinal, of course, to be the star of the show. So I'm not putting a whole lot in here. And this is different color greenery than what's in here. And that just gives some dimension to the project. Hi, Lex. Lexi's my cat. She wants to hang out. And I'll just put one more piece in here. Just like this. There. Cute, eh? But let's add something to it because, you know, we can't just leave it like that, as cute as it is. So I think what I'll do is I'll make a bow. Got some hot glue on me, but that's okay. And I like this buffalo plaid ribbon, this red and black buffalo plaid ribbon. I think it would go well with here. And I'm going to make a simple bow. And I want them to have tails. So I'm just going to make a simple bow. You don't need to use a bow making machine if you don't have one. That's why I'm doing this for you. So I just make 2 loops. Cut that off. And then I've got some twine. Then I'm just going to wrap around the center because I'm going to put something in the center. And I think I got this at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, yeah. I think a Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to wrap this around. Just pinch this together. Just a couple of times around, and then I just tie it in a knot at the back. Just like that. And clip it off. So a simple bow is all you need for this, because you don't want to take anything away from the cardinal. I don't think. Just my opinion, means nothing. I'm going to ducktail my ends. Oh, I need new scissors. Just come down. Yep, definitely need new scissors. Oh, look. There you go. Cute. But I want to do something to the center of this. So I just take a piece of this. Here's my bow. It's cute. Lexi's wanting to come and hang out, but she knows. So I just take a little bit of hot glue, fold that over. If you have finger protectors handy, I would use them. I do not. Do as I say, not as I do. That's what my mother always said to me. Do as I say, not as I do. Let's cut this off. And I'm going to start at the back where the knot is. Apply a little hot glue. And I just take this. Finger protectors would work here. Once again, I don't have any handy. Don't be in a rush, like I am. Then just come to the back, put a little bit of hot glue on the back of it. Hold that down for a second. You can cut the excess off. And here's what you're left with. Just a simple, simple bow. And I'm going to fix this right here. I think it'll look cute. I put a generous amount of hot glue on here. See where I want to put it. That looks good there. And like, this is why I use Gorilla Glue, because it's not going anywhere. If you use dollar store glue, it might come off. That wouldn't be good. Doesn't take long. And that's it. Day 16 is in the books. Make sure you like and subscribe to see what's on for 17. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Love you all.